Stop letting Amazon steal your future. This simple 24-hour rule will save you hundreds of dollars on impulse buys. Are you an online shopping addict? Studies show that 40% of people regret their unplanned purchases. Here is how to stop the regret. The rule is simple. If you see something you want to buy, wait exactly 24 hours before you click the pay button. Leave it in your cart and walk away. This time allows your brain to switch from emotional impulse to logical thinking. Usually, the urge to buy is gone by the next morning. After 24 hours, ask yourself, do I really need this or was I just bored? If you still truly need it, then go ahead and buy it guilt-free. This one habit can save you $100 to $500 a month on clothes, gadgets, and random Amazon finds that you don't even use. Start the 24-hour challenge today. Tomorrow, for day 6, we are doing the cash-only challenge to break the credit card cycle.